Hello, Internet. Just to try and see if I can change up things a bit. I've changed this multimeter out or that multimeter out for another one. I'm running the same experiment, also the 6 lamps. Still with the scope there. But I've connected an extra multimeter on top there. One reading 12.69 volts here on the 2 capacitors, and the other one reading 12.33 down here on the battery. The negative goes into the multimeter, comes out the multimeter and goes into the into the capacitor here. I've got an extra long, the orange lead is just to keep the multimeter in place there. Then the negative of the supply comes off the same point there and goes to the negative on the transistor, and the positive comes off the positive side of the capacitors and goes into the coil on that side there. I've got my 2 wires coming out still into the big ass coil. I'm still only running the 6 lamps. Exactly the same. Take a screenshot and trace the wires. Don't get too demokar or too confused with the white wires. These are the white tails that you buy when you buy these 12-volt lamps. Quite expensive. They're about $1 each. That's a scope there. I don't want to bore anybody with making long videos where there's almost nothing happening. So I'll just sit here and talk a lot of bullshit. Now, the other multimeter gave me a reading of 0.008. This one gives me a reading of 0.08. And we are on a 10 amp scale, which I guess that would be 80 milliamps. I think there's a discrepancy between these 2 multimeters, but I'll go and work it out. And see where it comes down to. Still running the 6 lamps, and if I disconnect it here, everything goes off. If I put it back on, check the multimeter. If I switch it off, I switch it back on, it comes back on immediately. So, thank you for watching. Please, whatever. See you in the next video.